All right, welcome to your first day of virtual physics. I know this is going to be a bit of a confusing time, so we're going to ease our way in here. We won't just hit the ground running. So I have a couple order of business to discuss with you guys today. My first order of business is attendance. Since this is not an eAchieve class, we will be taking attendance every single day. What this means for you is that you are going to be going to Google Classroom every single day. And in Google Classroom, you're going to go to your classwork tab. The top thing there will be something called the attendance form. There's some information explaining what this form is found right here in the description. Right now it looks grayed out because it is not available for you guys yet. It will be available probably when this video is going live. And so it'll turn blue. What you will be doing is you'll be clicking where it says attendance form, virtual physics at the bottom. That link will open up this lovely form where you're going to go ahead and enter your email address and your last name and your first name. You're going to tell me which hour you are in. That is just to help me sort through your names. And then finally, you are going to be telling me what have you done today to work towards completion of our physics course objectives. So basically, what did you do? You went to Blackboard, you found some content, maybe you read something, maybe you worked on a simulation, maybe you wrote something. Tell me what you did. Then you're going to tell me in 3 to 5 sentences what maybe you learned today, what that means to you, etc. So reflect on that. And then finally, you're going to tell me how much time you spent on physics today. So maybe it was 15 minutes, maybe it was 30, maybe it was a full hour. Let me know how much time you're spending. I will warn you, if you do end up spending only 15 minutes on physics for multiple days in a row, I will be having a discussion with you about what more you can be doing because you're showing me that you are in need of an enrichment opportunity, and I will make that available for you. All right, so that is attendance. Second order of business that we have today is Blackboard. Blackboard is going to be our #1 communication tool here. So what you are going to be doing every day is you are going to log into your Blackboard. In Blackboard, you are going to be brought to the welcome page. That's where you default show up in Blackboard. And on there, above our little picture, I am going to be posting videos. That's where you'll find this video, and that's where you will find a video at least once a week, if not more frequent. Those videos are going to direct you to what content you should be working on for each particular day. So you're going to go ahead, you're going to open up that video. It will direct you to where to go. A lot of times you're going to be taking yourself to the units tab. And in here you'll be finding, like, we're going to start off finishing up our momentum unit, and you'll open that up and you'll find the content that I directed you towards. In the future, after break, we're going to be going to an energy unit, and that's where you'll find that as well. All right, third order of business. When you turn things in, a lot of times I'm going to have you either turn them in through Blackboard or Google Classroom. A lot of times I'm going to have you turn something in through Google Classroom because it allows me to provide feedback on that assessment for you. If you turn something in through Blackboard, I am not able to write on the document and leave comments as I am in Google Docs, just because Blackboard only allows me to comment on the rubric. All right, so we're going to be using Google Classroom to submit our materials. That way I can give you better feedback. All right, last thing I've got for you guys today is something called WebEx. I sent all of you an email with some guidelines for WebEx, but I wanted to formally introduce you guys to this software. So what this is something that will allow us to have virtual communication. And so if we went ahead and we open up our WebEx app, it's going to give us this lovely general physics screen. Once you click on the left-hand side, you can switch through different tabs. You'll notice that I created a group for all of our different physics hours, and so you can add yourself to the group for your specific hour if you want to be asking questions about physics within just your class hour. Otherwise, you are also welcome to use the general tab, and this contains all of my physics students. All right, so in here, you can go ahead and send a message. Also, when I'm providing virtual office hours between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m., you will be able to go ahead and search my name. So you'll contact a person, you'll search my name, then you'll be in the chat with just me, not in the general physics chat, and you'll go up to the dots in the top right corner, and you can go ahead and you can message me. You can use this schedule button to go ahead and invite me to a video chat if you're interested in having a video chat discussion about some of our physics content. And those are the two main ones that you will be using. All right. I know that this is a new tool, and I know that it can be tempting for you to use it in a personal way. However, the physics chats that I have created are going to be used exclusively for discussions about physics content. You'll notice in the Units tab in Blackboard, the top thing says WebEx communication. Since communication is one of our learning targets in the science classrooms here at West High School, I have created a rubric for us to regulate how we are using this resource because it is not a free-for-all. All right, and so I need you guys to make sure that you are being respectful, responsible, and only communicating about physics in our chat. Thank you, and let me know if you have any questions or concerns. I am going to try and be as available as possible for you guys to support you in this transition.